Namaskar and hello. Welcome to Shridevi Classes YouTube channel. In our playlist Electric Power System, today we'll study commissioning of wind turbine generator in this short and very interesting learning video. Let's start. Nowadays, offshore and onshore wind power projects which harness energy of wind and produce electricity have become commercially viable. Research and development in wind technology, development of new materials and better design have produced components of wind turbine generation which are better in performance and lower in cost. Better understanding of aerodynamics have resulted in better three-blade turbine of aerofoil design which optimum utilize wind resources and produce maximum kinetic energy for electric generation. Development of semiconductor, electronic converter, instrumentation, feedback and automation have made double fade asynchronous slip ring type induction generator an ideal choice for grid connected wind power generator. Such systems have lower cost and losses, higher efficiency and performance, and they have better electrical and mechanical stability and reliability. Development of electric generation, mechanical gearbox, transportation, logistic, material handling, heavy duty powerful lift cranes have made commissioning and operation of wind turbine generator quite convenient. Modern wind turbine generation have remarkable improvement in performance, durability and cost reduction. Electric output of one large wind turbine generator has increased to 3 megawatt power value. Large utility size 2 to 3 megawatt wind turbine generator use longer turbine blades with rotor diameter 120 to 130 meter with great sweep area, and these blades are mounted on a hub which is mounted on a very long tower of 120 to 140 meter height. Development of matching high towers to supplement the large rotor have greatly benefited wind industry of India, China and United States, and now wind resources of low wind speed sites can also be harnessed effectively. Giant dimensions of modern wind turbine have great enormous weight. This 100 to 140 meter height tower would have 13,000 ton weight if it is made of steel tubular structure or a hybrid combination of lattice frame and tubular structure is combined together. The knuckle and hub with knuckle bed, gearbox, generator, transformer would have a total weight of around 7,000 ton. These blades are made of epoxy and glass fiber which is relatively lighter in weight, but the huge dimension of these blades made weight of this rotor structure around 1,000 ton size. This heavy weight of tall structure along with lateral and transverse forces of wind action need a very strong foundation for turbine structure. Heavy earth mover and excavators are used to prepare a foundation pit of 15 to 20 meter depth, and it is leveled for a sufficient large base area. From a nearby ready mix plant, prepared cement concrete mixture is evenly distributed on foundation bed for sufficient thickness to withstand and distribute heavy load of wind turbine. A strong foundation of steel reinforcement is prepared to handle rigid weight of turbine which is more than 20,000 ton with allied equivalent strong wind stresses. More than 10,000 ton weight of steel and iron is used in foundation footings, steel ferrules and cast iron frames. Strengthening and widening of steel reinforcement foundation is done after proper designed reinforcement. More than 50,000 ton of cement concrete mix is poured by ready mix plant to these reinforcement. Now sand is refilled in surroundings and foundation is prepared for wind turbine erection and commissioning. In giant fabrication units, we can prefabricate standard designed subcomponent of wind turbine generator systems like section of steel tubular tower, blades of turbine or knuckle and hub assembly along with gearbox, generator, transformer and electronic circuitry. Improved transportation facility, logistic, erection and commissioning systems, heavy lifting machines all have made commissioning and erection of wind turbine generator systems quite convenient. Now when we place tower on foundation, knuckle bed on tower and turbine blade on hub, wind turbine generation can be set up quickly and cheaply compared to building a new conventional coal thermal power plant or any hydroelectric plant. Improved aerodynamic design, functioning of gearbox and generation have made these plants economic and efficient, and modern electronics have facilitated grid connectivity of variable speed wind turbines, and nowadays mass production and widespread development in wind turbine generation have made these plants commercial viable and futuristic energy source of human development. Shipment of heavy and giant prefabricated wind turbine component arrived at nearby port is placed on Towan Trolla trucks by lift and cranes of dockyard. Such heavy duty powerful Towan trucks have power capacity of more than 600 horsepower, and this multi-axle multi-wheel truck can handle heavy weight of turbine components and will carry consignment to commissioning site of wind turbine installation, where a prefabricated foundation is ready for future erection and commissioning. Tubular steel subcomponents of tower are assembled together to form all parts of complete towers, and that these parts are erected one over the other with proper fixing of all towers to achieve desired 120 meter to 140 meter height. When tower is erected, the knuckle structure is lifted by heavy duty lift, which includes hub, gearbox, generator, transformer and allied control and operational circuitry, and knuckle is placed on tower top. Now giant turbine blades are placed on designated hub position one by one. When a blade is placed on hub, the pointed bolt pins of turbine are placed on designated holes, and operator at hub positions connect these blades one by one, and we place all three blades in the same manner, and after complete erection, installation and connection of different mechanical and electrical component is done, and after thorough testing, the installation is ready to harness wind energy and to produce electrical power.